Today I'm going to show you how to use the Whirley Pop Popcorn Popper. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's get to it. So a week or so ago my husband brought home this Whirley Pop Popcorn Popper and we decided to give it a go. It seems to be made out of aluminum, just two pieces, the pot and then the cap that kind of snaps on there with some clamps. It's pretty easy to get on once you figure it out. The instructions say not to put the stove on until you've put the ingredients in it. So that's what we did. You start off with 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Don't mind my shaky hands. Once you've got the oil in, now it's time for the popcorn. A half a cup of unpopped popcorn. Close up the lid, and it asks for a medium-high heat. So I think every stove is different, but I'm sure you'll figure out what a medium-high heat is. And then you basically just turn this crank. I had to turn it for 7.5 minutes. But once it was done, you could see it was all nice and white and fluffy. We turned off the stove, and then we melted a couple tablespoons of butter in the microwave and poured it on in. Then I gave everything a good shaking. Voila! We poured it into this nice big bowl. Perfect size for this popcorn. And then we put some salt on it. This first time around we didn't want to do anything fancy. We just wanted to see how it tasted. With just salt and butter. Popcorn? The whole family is a fan of popcorn, by the way. So,
that's good corn.
As you can see from my husband's reaction and my dog's, this was really good popcorn. We really loved it. And this was just with butter and salt. The next time we made it, we added some Cajun powder and butter and salt, and that was delicious too. So I would say this is a good buy. This Whirley Pop Popcorn Popper, really easy to make. Saves you some money in the long run if you're buying a lot of Jiffy Pop. I liked it. It's fun. It's fun to make. It tastes good, and I think it's well worth the money. If you would like to buy one, there's going to be a link in the description below for Amazon. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.